Hey guys, I decided to do an interior video of what it sounds like in my truck with a muffler, delete, Y pipe in there. Now, let's see. I got my windows approximately halfway down, all the way, all four. It's crew cab. All the windows are almost halfway down, so it'll give you an idea. And I do have my GoPro in it's the hard shell case, but it's the one with the open or removed back. So some of the mic is still blocked, so you still don't get as good of mic quality as like when it's put in that open frame. But I just don't have the open frame. So anyways, I'm just going to give you guys an idea of what it sounds like in the vehicle. Now this is with the vehicle, like I said, with the windows rolled halfway down. It's not this obnoxious when you got the windows rolled up, but it sounds pretty cool. Drop down into eco mode, doing about 34 miles an hour. So obviously when it goes into eco mode, it's pretty quiet, pretty tame, but and when you're just cruising along, you know, it's not bad. And then, like I said, this is with half the windows down. I should say the windows half down. I'm just going to get on just a little bit here. And I got to leave it at that because that was already pushing the speed there a little bit. Focused on the sound, and it sounds, to me, it just sounds so good. You look down, next thing you know, you're over the speed limit. First and second gear, it's got a nice braking on these brand new pads. My doggone pads are glazed up, which sucks. I gotta rough them up. Gotta do something to rough them up because I don't like that squealing.